Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about the prefix and suffix checking string methods available in Python. String objects have access to starts with and ends with methods that are useful for testing whether a string starts or ends with the provided substring. Let us go through these methods in detail. Starts with method accepts an argument prefix and checks whether the string starts with the provided prefix. For example, given a string Mr. Hello Pie assigned to a variable s, executing s dot starts with m returns true as the string begins with m. Now, let us execute starts with method with argument he. It returns false as the string does not begin with string he. If we want to test whether the string begins with one of the given prefixes, a tuple of substrings can be provided as the argument prefix. For example, given a string Mr. Hello Pie assigned to a variable s, executing s dot starts with a tuple containing strings m and h returns true as the string begins with m, which is the first item of the tuple. The ends with method accepts an argument suffix and checks whether the string ends with the provided suffix. For example, given a string Mr. Hello Pie assigned to a variable s, executing s dot ends with pi returns true as the string ends with pi. Now, let us execute the ends with method with the argument lowercase py. It returns false as the string does not end with pi with lowercase p. If you want to test whether the string ends with one of the given suffixes, a tuple of substrings can be provided as the argument suffix. For example, given a string Mr. Hello Pie assigned to a variable s, executing s dot ends with a tuple containing strings p and pi returns true as the string ends with pi, which is the second item of the tuple.